Yes, now students, next we are going to do our workbook problems. So, our chapter division. So, first question. So, what is division means? Division means equal sharing. Equal sharing is nothing but division. So, first question. So, write the division fact of each of the following. Some pictures are given. So, we have to write division fact. So, on the basis of these pictures. So, then how to write division fact? First, in the first picture some ice creams were given. First we calculate how many ice creams were there. Total ice creams you have to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ice creams we have to write here in the box. Total ice creams. Then how many groups we have? This is first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. So, total 5 groups we have. Then how many ice creams were there in each group? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It means 2 ice creams were there. It means if total 10 ice creams divided into 5 groups, then we will get 2 ice creams in each group. 2 ice creams in each group. Okay. Now, the next. Here some apples are given. So, first we have to count how many apples were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total how many apples were there? 15 apples. So, then after how many groups are there? This is first group, this is second group, this is third group. Total how many groups? 3 groups. If 15 apples divided into 3 groups, then 5 apples we will get in each group. How many apples? 5 apples in each group. Calculate, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples in first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples in second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples in third group. It means if total 15 apples, if we divide it into 3 groups, then we will get 5 apples in each group. 5 apples in each group. Okay. Next, here total how many pencils were there? First you count how many pencils were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Total how many pencils are there? 25 pencils. So, then how many groups we have? First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. So, total 5 groups. If 25 pencils divided into 5 groups, then how many pencils are there in each group? In each group we have 5 pencils. Once you check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils in first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pencils in second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pencils in third group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pencils in fourth group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pencils in fifth group. It means 5 pencils we will get in each group. Okay. In this way we have to write our division fact. First we have to write here in this first box number of articles, number of items, whatever. How many items are, how many articles are there? First we have to count. So, the total we have to write in the first box. In the second box we have to write number of groups. How many groups? In how many groups it divides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 we have to write 5. 1, 2, 3. If 3 is there we have to write 3 there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 we have to write 5. Okay. Then if we divide into this many groups, then how many items are there in each group? In each group how many items were there? So, that we have to write in that last, that is our answer. Okay. So, in this way we have to write our division fact. And after this one more question, similar question is there. That similar question that you do as your home assignment. Okay. So, here students, next question. So, write two division facts for each of the following multiplication facts. Here multiplication facts are given. So, these multiplication facts, so we have to write into division, we have to convert into two division facts. Then how to write these two in division facts? See here, what is our first question? 6 9s are 54, this is a multiplication fact, okay, 6 9s are 54. Then how to write this in division fact? See here, so what is the product here? 54, first we have to write product 54 in both 54 and 54. This product we have to write 54 54. Then here 6 and 9 is there, no, here you write 6 and 9, here you change 9 and 6. So, the fact is over, the fact is over, very simple. The product we have to write first in both, in first as well as in second fact. This is complete our first fact, this is complete our second fact, division first fact and division second fact. Then how to write multiplication fact into two division facts? First we have to take the product, then after that 6 and 9, 9 and 6 we have to write, over. The next, here what is the product? 35. So, we have to write 35 and 35 here. Then after that 5 7 we have to write 5 7, here 7 5. It means if 35 divided by 5, then we will get 7. Here it means if 35 divided by 7, then we will get 5, then we will get 5. Okay. Next, in this what is the product? So, we have to take the product 27 and 27, this is the product. Then what is here? 3 and 9, here 9 and 3, 9 and 3, 3 and 9, 9 and 3, that is it. The same, what is the product here? 16 is the product. First you write your product here 16 and 8 and 2 is there, here you take 8 and 2, here 2 and 8. So, in this way we have to write two facts, division facts, that two facts. First product into multiplier into multiplicand, here product is equal to multiplicand into multiplier is equal to multiplier. So, these are our two division facts. Okay. Whenever he asks division facts, first you write your product and after that 6 and 9 you have to keep here, 9 and 6 you keep in the next. It means if 54 is divided by 6, then we will get 9. If 54 divided by 9, then we will get 6. In the same way, 35 divided by 5, then you will get 7. If 35 divided by 7, then you will get 5. If 27 is divided by 3, then you will get 9. 27 divided by 9, then you will get 3. 16 divided by 8, then you will get 2. If 16 divided by 2, then you will get 8. These are the division facts. What? On the basis of multiplication. On the basis of your multiplication fact, so we have to write two division facts in this way. Okay. Yes, now students, see here. So, use repeated subtraction to solve the division problem. So, here what we have to do? So, we have to do division. So, using repeated subtraction. Then how to do? The first question, 49 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7, first we have to take this 49 divided by 7 means 49 minus 7 we have to take. 49 minus 7 is what? 49 minus 7 is 42. 49 minus 7 is 42. Then after that, what is the difference here? So, again 42, that difference we have to take and minus 7. Difference minus 7 is 35. That is 42 minus 7 is 35. Again, what is the difference here? 75. The difference minus 7. Then difference minus 7 is 28. And after that, so what is the difference here? 28. 28 minus 7 is 21. Again, what is the difference? 21. Difference minus 7, that is 14. Again, what is the difference? 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Again, what is the difference? 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Till 0 we have to do. First, we have to take 49 minus 7. 49 minus 7 is 42. So, this is the difference. Difference minus again 7, 35. Again 35. Difference minus 7 is 28. Again difference 28 minus 7, that is 21. Again difference minus 7 is 14. Difference minus 7 is 7 and difference minus 7 is 0. So, till 0 we have to do. In how many steps we get 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7th step we got 0. It means answer is 7. Answer is 7. Okay. Now, the next one, 36 divided by 6. It means first we have to take 36 minus 6. 36 minus 6 is 30. What is the difference here? 30. So, again the difference minus 6. Difference minus 6 is 24. Then what is the difference here? 24. Again you take the difference. 24 minus 6 is 18. Then what is the difference? 18. Difference minus 6 is, again it is a 12. Again what is the difference here? 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. What is the difference here? 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Here 36 minus 6 we have to take. 36 minus 6 is 30. Again this difference minus 6, 24. This is the difference. Difference minus 6, again 18. In third step what is the difference? 18. 18 minus 6 is 12 and again in fourth step difference is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6 and what is the difference here? 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. In how many steps we got 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, our answer is 6. Now, after that 15 divided by 5. First 15 minus 5 we have to take. 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5, 10. This is the difference. Again we have to take difference. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. So, again we have to take the difference. What is the difference here? 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. In how many steps we got 0? 1, 2, 3. So, our answer is 3. Our answer is 3. Okay. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 15 divided by 5 is 3. This is using repeated subtraction. So, we are finding our division. Okay. So, one more question is there. So, that one more question is a similar question, that is your home assignment. Okay. Yes, now students, here divide into equal groups and encircle them. Encircle them. So, we have to circle also. We have to circle them. So, here in first question 14 divided by 7, 7 groups. So, we have to divide into 7 groups. Total how many pencils were there? 14 pencils. These 14 pencils we have to divide into 7 groups. See here, how many pencils were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pencils were there. So, we have to divide into how many? 7 groups. First, I want to take these 2 pencils in one group. Next, 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 these 2 pencils are in one group. 2 pencils in one group. Then how many groups we form? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. If this total 14 pencils, so divided into 7 groups, then how many pencils are there in each group? So check here, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, 2 pencils were there in each group. How many pencils? 2 pencils were there in each group. Okay. If total 14 pencils were there, if this 14 pencils if divided into 7 equal groups, then we will get 2 pencils in one group. Okay. Next, here some flies, house flies are given. So these house flies, so we have to divide into how many? 4 groups. How many groups? 4 groups. Total how many house flies are there? House flies are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have to divide into 4 groups. First I want to take these 2 in one group, these 2 in another group, these 2 in another group, and these 2 in another group. Total how many groups are there? 1 2 3 4. In 4 groups, total how many insects are there? 8. Then equally we are dividing equally into 4 groups. Then how many flies were there in each group? 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. 2 flies were there in each group, that we have to write. If total 8 flies were there, so if we divide this 8 into 4 equal groups, then how many flies were there in each group? So we have 2 flies in each group. Okay. Next, the next here again some insects were given in your textbook. So instead of that insects, so we have taken here books. Okay. Here we change our picture, but in your textbook insects were there. Okay. Here, so we are replacing insects, instead of insects we are taking books. Okay. How many books were there? Total how many books were there? 10 books were there. Count once, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total 10 books were there. These 10 books, so we are dividing into 2 groups. How many groups? 2 groups. I want to take 5 books in one group and 5 books in another group. Now you count how many books? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 in one group, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 in second group. So this total 10 books, so we distributed equally into 2 groups. Then how many books are there in each group? 5 books are there in each group. How many books? 5 groups were there in each group. Okay. If total 10 books were there, so in the group, if 10 books we divide into 2 equal groups, then we will get 5 books in each group. Okay. So here the image we change here, our image. So there in your textbook insect is given, one small insect is given. Instead of that insect, so we draw here a book. So according to that we have to do. So nothing is changed here. So the pattern, the image, the article, the insect, whatever is there, so that we have to keep in a group. Equally we have to divide. Here we divide equally 10 books into 2 groups, then 5 groups we get in each group. So in this way we have to do our division. So what he has given, we have to encircle. We have to encircle 2 groups according to that given division. Okay. So one more question is there, that similar question, that is your home assignment. Okay. Students, so write division facts. Division facts we have to write here. So first see in the picture. So here total how many rhinoceros given? 1 2 3 4. Total we have to count. Total 4 rhinoceros given. Then how many groups? Total 2 groups. 1 2 1 2. Total 2 groups. In 2 groups total 4 rhinoceros were there. Then how many rhinoceros were there in each group? 2 rhinoceros. So we have to write like this. First we have to write total, then number of groups, then how many rhinoceros are there in each group we have to write. Okay. This is total, this is number of groups, number of rhinoceros in each group. In the same way, some insects are given. First you count how many insects are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. total we have to write, total 8 insects were there. Then how many groups are there? 2 groups. In the 2 groups, in each group how many insects were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 insects were there in each group. That we have to write here. Total insects, total 8 insects. How many groups are there in that? 2 groups. And how many insects were there in each group? In each group, 4 insects were there. That we have to write. This is total. This is number of groups. Then number of insects in each group. Then in the same way, carrots. Total how many carrots were there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 carrots were there. So in that 10 carrots, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. These 10 carrots divided into 5 groups. Then how many carrots were there in each group? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. 2 carrots were there in each group. That we have to write. Then after that, so again insects, some insects were given. How many insects were given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like ants. So then total 10. Then it divides into how many groups? 2 groups. Then how many were there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. So in this way, first we have to write total and groups and how many are there in each group in the last. In that way we have to write our division fact. Okay students? Students, now so division is a backward multiplication. So what is the relation between division and multiplication? So we are going to discuss in this question. So first fill in the blanks. Some blanks are given. In these boxes we have to fill. See here in the picture, so what is given? Some toys were given. So 5 group of toys were there. 5 group of 2 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If these 5 group of toys, if 2 toys were there in each group, then total how many toys were there? Total 10 toys were there. Total how many? 10 toys were there. Then how to represent in multiplication as a multiplication fact? 5 groups into 2 toys in each group. 2 toys in each group. Then 5 2s are total 10 toys. 10 toys. So this is the representation. This is multiplication fact. Total how many groups? 5 groups of toys. Then how many toys there in each group? 2 toys. Then if we take 5 into 2, if 5 multiply with 2, then what is our answer? 10. Total 10 toys. So in this way we have to represent in multiplication form. It is called multiplication fact. In the next, divided into groups of 2. So if 10, total 10 toys, total how many toys? 10 toys divided into group of 2s, means 2 in each group. If we divided 2 toys in each group, then how many groups we can form? 5 groups. Total how many groups we can form? 5 groups we can form. Total 5 groups we can form. First 10 divided into the groups of 2 groups. Then how many groups we can form? 5 groups. See there, 5 groups are there. 5 groups were there. Here the next question, some balls were given. So 8 balls were there in each group. Then how many groups were there? Total 3 groups were there. 3 total. See in your picture, how many balls were there in each group? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 balls were there in each group. Then total how many groups are there? 1 2 3. 3 groups were there. Then total how many balls were there? Count all the balls. First group 8 balls, second group 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Total 24 balls. Total 24 balls. Total 24 balls. Then how to represent in multiplication? So we can represent this multiplication. So how? So multiplication format, it is our multiplication fact. How? 3 groups of 8, 3 8s are, then total how many? 24. 3 groups of 8 means 3 into 8, which gives 24, total 24, total 24. Next, in the division, so divided into group of 8 means total how many balls? 24 balls. 24, these 24 balls divided into the groups of 8. Then how many groups we can form? We can form 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, 3 groups we have. So that we have to write. Okay. So this is the multiplication fact, this is a division fact. Okay. Now students, see, find the quotient. Here some division, long division problems are given. So we have to find the quotient. How to find the quotient? First question, 5 divided by 5 divides 30. It means 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. Then how to check? In 5 table we have to check when you will get 30. Read your 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 6s are 6 we have to write here, 5 6s are 30. Then same number minus same number, 0. So this is our quotient. What is our quotient? 6 is our quotient. In the same way, in 8 table we have to check when you will get 32. 6 1s are 8, sorry 8 table, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 4 we have to write here, 8 4s are 32, same number minus same number, 0. Then what is the quotient? This is our quotient. Our quotient is 4. Now in the same way, in 4 table, so we have to check 24, where you will get 24 in 4 table. 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24 we have to write here. Same number minus same number, 0. What is your quotient? Your quotient is 6. In 3 table, when you will get 30, it is very easy. 3 10s are 30. How to write this 30? In ones place we have to write ones, in tens we have to write tens place. Then same number minus same number, 0. Then quotient. What is your quotient? This is your quotient, that is 10. 10 is your quotient. Now here in 2 table, when you will get 16, here 2 divides, this is the divisor, this is the divisor, this is the dividend. Then in 2 table, when you will get 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. How to write 16? In ones place we have to write ones, and in tens place we take tens value. Then minus, same number minus same number, 0. Then what is your quotient? This is your quotient. What is your quotient? Quotient is 8. Next, here in 6 table, so we have to check when you will get 24. In 6 table, when you will get 24. Read your 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 4, we have to write 4s are, and 24 here we have to take. Now minus, same number minus same number, 0. Then this is our quotient, this is our divisor, this is our dividend. Then quotient is 4. Next, here vocabulary, according to vocabulary, this is our divisor, 7 divides, 7 divides means the number which divides, that is the divisor. This is the number which is divided by the divisor is our dividend. This is the divisor, this is the dividend. Then divisor. In divisor, when you will get 63, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 9s are 63. Then minus same number is 0. Then this is your quotient. Then quotient is, your quotient is 9. Now in this question, so this is your divisor, this is your dividend. The number which divides is called divisor, the number which is divided by the divisor is called dividend. Now so we have to check this 35 when you will get in 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35. We have to take 35 like this. Then same number minus same number, 0. Then this is your quotient. What is your quotient? Your quotient is 7. So like this we have to find our quotients. Here find the quotients. Okay.